Are you going to put it on your bed? Yeah. Are you excited to lay in and sleep on it? Yeah. Show Mama how excited you are. Yeah. Whoa.
That's your new bed. That is so cool. Look at Papa taking it out of the box. It just slides right out.
Okay, now you have to stand to the side because it's going to go over here. You want to go in the box?
Okay, go in the box. Maybe we'll send you back to Kita.
Hello.
Whoa! Enzo, look at this. This is your mattress. That is so cool. Look at Enzo. Look at Papa.
Oh, it's vacuum.
Hold on, sweetheart. We have a little background baby in this. Oh, whoa! Look at your bed.
You want Juju or Papa to put it on your bed?
Enzo, you want to get on it?
Whoa.
Whoa, that's so cool.
You want Juju or Papa to put it on your bed? Okay, stand up so we can put it on your bed.
Okay, here we go. Let's move it to your new room, Enzo. Come on, Enzo. Let's go. Let's go see it in your new room. Oh, that's a little dangerous. Whoa. Look at that. That's so cool. Enzo, do you love your new bed? Now we just need a pillow and it'll be perfect. Right, Enzo? Right.
Look at that, Enzo. That's so
Very
nice,
cool.
huh?
Enzo's new Kita's bed. Kita bed. Yeah, we need your covers, your pillow. We need all of it. Say bye-bye.